Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel where tips and tricks are being explored. My name is Richard Ayo, and today I'll be sharing with you guys the basic routing on LiveProfessor. If you are new to the channel, please click on the like button, subscribe, and comment for more of this content. If you're interested, please share to your friends, share to the audio engineers around you. It's going to be very helpful for them. Fastest way to get your chain together is by using instead of doing like a one after the other, you can just route things easily faster on the LiveProfessor. How do you do that? Let's say you have 32 chains and you want to route this, so it will be a lot stressful to be doing this manually, you understand? So let's take this out. And so for you to do that, after creating your chain, what you need to do is to go to the audio patch. So inside the audio patch, you have the inputs. These are the inputs and these are your outputs. The inputs and the output are here. So what you want to do is to patch the inputs, and once you are going to see display here that is patched correctly. So the first input is 1. So I'm going to look for the chain. This is my input chain. This one showing green is my input chain. The one showing green at this other side is my output chain. So I'm looking for 1. So this is 1. This is chain 1, so I'm going to patch that in chain 1, and you can see it reflecting here. So I'll do that for all the channels till it get to the chain I created. I created 32 chain. So that's so I've done 18 inputs now. So I want to create output for it too. So my output chain, I'm going to come here, come down. So most times you might not see the output chain. This is where you are going to click to show the output chain and hide it. This particular arrow, it shows your output chain. So this is it. So I'm gonna do 1 to 1, which is this, and you can see reflected here. Just by one click, and you're already patching a lot. So we're going to do 18 to here. So we've gotten inputs 1 to 18 and the outputs 1 to 18. If you want to cross check that, you go back to your chain and you check this is 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 5 to 5, 9 to 9, 12 to 12, 13, and here we go, 18. So they are all patched in correctly. So this is the easiest way to patch on LiveProfessor rather than going through the stress of looking for, okay, where is this, where is that. So that's the easiest way. The audio patch, it's your go-to, and for you to do that, you could easily press, if you're using the Mac, F7 to bring out the audio patch. I hope I can see that. Okay, so that's my F7. So that's it on patching on basic patching on LiveProfessor, input and output. We're going to be exploring more. That is it, basic routing on LiveProfessor.
If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, repost, comment if you want to be seeing more of these videos.